welcome back to YouTube channel mine. For today, I would like to deliver about cryptocurrency. But before that, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Let's start it. European Central Bank addresses guidance on licensing of digital assets. Especially the ECB will consider crypto fears, business models, internal governance, and fit and proper assessment which apply to listening or other companies. The European Central Bank or ECB laid the foundation for the criteria it would be considering when harmonizing the licensing requirements for crypto in Europe. In a Wednesday statement, the ECB's Bank Supervision Division said it would be taking steps to regulate digital assets as national framework governing crypto assets diverge quite extensively. And given the seemingly different approaches to harmonization following the passage of the Markets in Crypto Assets (MiCA) regulation and the Basel Committee on Banking Supervision issuing guidelines for banks export to crypto. The ECB said it would apply criteria from the Capital Requirements Directive in effect since 2013 to access licensing requests for crypto-related activities and services. Especially the central bank will consider crypto firms, business models, internal governance, and fit and proper assessments which apply to licensing other companies. In addition, the ECB said it will rely on national anti-money laundering (EML) authorities and the financial intelligence units of respective countries to provide data necessary to assess potential risk. The higher the complexity or relevance of the crypto business, the higher the level of knowledge and experience in the field of crypto should be, the ECB said. Senior managers or board members with relevant IT knowledge and chief risk officers with robust experience in this area are important safeguards. According to the ECB, where there is work ongoing to analyze the role crypto may play in Europe, which will remain an area of focus for European banking supervision in years to come. With the passage of MiCA, global regulators may begin to standardize rules of crypto service providers within the European Union. On August 2, the ECB released the result of a study which identified a central bank digital currency as the top choice for cross-border payments over Bitcoin (BTC) and other options. Officials previously pointed to the crash of Terra as a possible example of a stablecoin tutoring the financial system, recommending supervisory and regulatory measures to reduce risks. The concept of future designated Web3 domain names. What are Web3 domains? Web3 domains differ from standard domain name system DNS address such as cointelegraph.com or the news like .io. DNS is similar to a telephone directory, only it indexes public websites and their accompanying Internet Protocol (IIP) addresses to enable the directory. The news like crypto is the result of a 42-character hex string. However, in the case of Web3 blockchain domain name system, only can simply remember a short press. Maybe that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Bye bye.